When I say the word retirement, what pops into your head? Probably one of two things. Either you're picturing a 65-year-old on a golf course in Florida, or you're picturing a 30-year-old tech bro with $2 million in the bank, sitting on a beach in Bali sipping out of a coconut. For most of us, traditional retirement feels like a marathon we're already losing. You work for 40 years, save a little bit of every paycheck, and hope inflation doesn't eat it all by the time your knees give out. And the extreme retire early movement? That feels like a sprint that requires you to eat rice and beans for a decade just to escape your boss. It's exhausting just thinking about it. But what if I told you that you don't need $2 million to stop worrying about retirement? What if I told you there is a financial loophole that allows you to entirely fund your retirement by the time you are 30, without ever having to invest another dime for the rest of your life? It's called Coast Fire. And it is, without a doubt, the most realistic, life-changing financial strategy for anyone in their 20s or 30s. It's not about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about buying back your freedom, your peace of mind, and the ability to do whatever you actually want to do for a living. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Andy. Today, we are spending the next 20 minutes breaking down the exact math, the strategy, and the incredible psychological freedom of Coast Fire. Grab a coffee, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's dive in. To understand Coast Fire, we first have to understand the traditional FIRE movement. FIRE stands for financial independence. Retire early. Usually, the math for traditional FIRE goes exactly like this. You figure out your annual expenses, multiply that number by 25, and that is your FIRE number. If you spend $40,000 a year, you need $1 million invested. Once you hit that million, the idea is that you can pull out 4% a year and you never have to work again. But let's talk about the reality of traditional FIRE for a second. You read the blogs, you watch the videos, and it sounds great. But living it? That means tracking every single penny. It means saying no to your friends when they want to go out for dinner on a Friday night. It means driving a 15-year-old beater car with no air conditioning while you make a six-figure salary. You are basically sacrificing the absolute best years of your youth, your 20s and 30s, just so you can escape a cubicle by 40. But what if you get to 40 and realize you forgot how to actually live? That is the hidden danger of extreme frugality. It leads to severe burnout. Coast Fire cures this completely. It flips the script. The word coasting means you have front-loaded your investments so aggressively in your early working years that your current portfolio will grow to your ultimate retirement goal all by itself, simply through the magic of compound interest. Once you hit your coast number, you stop investing completely. You take your foot off the gas. Your only financial responsibility from that day forward until you are 65 is to make enough money to cover your current living expenses. You don't have to save for the future anymore, because past you already took care of future you. Imagine pushing a massive snowball up a steep hill for a few years, getting it to the very top, and then just letting it roll down the other side. It gets massive on its own. You don't have to push anymore. All right, let's look at the actual math, because this is where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. Let's say you are 20 years old. You get a job, you hustle, you live below your means, and you manage to invest aggressively in broad market index funds like the S&P 500. Historically, the stock market returns an average of 7 to 10% per year. To be conservative, and to make sure we are accounting for inflation so your money actually buys the same amount of stuff in the future, let's use a 7% real return. Let's say you grind it out and you manage to invest $100,000 by the time you hit your 30th birthday. Now, At age 30, you decide you are entirely done saving for retirement. You don't put another single dollar into your 401k, your IRA, or your brokerage account. You just let that 100 grand sit there. What happens when you turn 65? That $100,000, compounding at 7% annually for 35 years, turns into over $1 million, $67,000. Let that sink in. Over $1 million. And remember, because we used a 7% return instead of the historical 10%, that $1 million is in today's purchasing power. It will actually feel like $1 million. Let's break down exactly how this money grows. Because compound interest is often misunderstood. It's not just your money making money. It's your money's money making money. When your $100,000 earns 7% this year, you get $7,000. Next year, you aren't earning 7% on 100 grand. You are earning 7% on 107 grand. That means next year you make $7,490. And the year after that, it's even more. The curve starts off looking flat, but in years 20, 25, and 30, the graph goes completely vertical. That is the magic. And let's say 100,000 by age 30 sounds impossible to you right now. Maybe you are 25 and starting from absolute zero. What if you just aggressively save for 10 years, hitting your coast number at 35 instead? Let's say you get to $150,000 by age 35, and then you completely stop. At a conservative 7% return, by the time you hit 65, you are sitting on over $1.1 million. The math is incredibly forgiving as long as you give it a long enough runway. This is the absolute superpower of front-loading your money. Traditional financial advice tells you to save 10 to 15% of your paycheck for 40 years. It's a slow, steady, and honestly, kind of boring drip. Coast Fire says go incredibly hard for 5 to 10 years, build the foundation, and then buy back your freedom decades early. So how do you find your exact Coast Fire number? There's a formula for it, and it's simpler than it sounds. You take your target retirement number and you divide it by 1 plus your expected return, raised to the power of how many years you have left until retirement. But listen, don't worry if algebra isn't your thing. There are dozens of free Coast Fire calculators online. You just plug in how much you want at age 65, what your current age is, and it tells you exactly how much you need in your account today to stop investing forever. Okay, so the math checks out. The numbers don't lie. But honestly, the math isn't even the best part of Coast Fire. The absolute best part is the psychological shift, the utter freedom it brings to your daily life. Let's go back to our main example. You're 30 years old. You hit your Coast number. You have that 100 grand invested. What actually changes on Tuesday morning when your alarm goes off? Everything changes. Because you no longer have to save for the future, your required income drops massively. Think about it. If you were saving $1,500 a month to hit your investment goals, you now instantly have a $1,500 a month raise to spend on your current life. You can upgrade your apartment, take more vacations, or just breathe easier. There is a massive difference between going to a job because you are chained to the 401k match and going to a job because you simply choose to be there. Imagine walking into your annual performance review. Usually, your heart is pounding because you desperately need that 3% raise to stay on track for your retirement goals. But when you're a Coast Fire, you don't need that raise to survive the future. You just need your current paycheck to cover your current life. The desperation completely evaporates. You become a better employee, a better boss, and honestly, a happier human being because the underlying anxiety of will I have enough to survive when I'm old is permanently erased from your brain. This newfound breathing room opens up three massive life paths that traditional retirement completely ignores. Path number one, the dream job. Let's say you're a corporate accountant making $90,000 a year, but you absolutely hate it. It drains your soul. You've always wanted to work for a nonprofit, or be a park ranger, or teach art, but those jobs only pay $45,000 a year. Before Coast Fire, you couldn't afford to take that job because you'd never be able to save enough for retirement on that salary. After Coast Fire, you don't need to save. That $45,000 just needs to cover your rent, your groceries, and your weekend fun. You can take the dream job today. Path number two, barista fire. Maybe you don't want a career at all. Maybe you just want less stress and more time. You step down from your stressful management role and take a part-time, low-stress job. You work 20 hours a week at a local coffee shop, hence the name Barista Fire, just to get health insurance and pay for your basic living expenses. The rest of your week is yours. You can read, hike, spend time with your kids, or just sleep in. Path number three, the entrepreneurial leap. Starting your own business is terrifying for most people because of the financial risk. But if your retirement is completely secured, the worst-case scenario of a failed business isn't I'll be broke and eating cat food at 70. The worst-case scenario is just I have to get a normal job again to pay my current bills. Coast Fire acts as the ultimate safety net for risk takers. When your basic survival and your future are no longer tied to your next promotion, your boss loses all their power over you. You stop operating out of a place of fear, and you start operating out of a place of choice. That is what Coast Fire really buys you. It buys you your 30s, your 40s, and your 50s back. Now, before you go march into your boss's office, flip your desk, and dramatically quit your job, we need to talk about reality. Coast Fire is amazing, but it isn't bulletproof. You have to be smart about this. Risk number one is market volatility. The stock market doesn't go up in a perfectly straight line. We used a 7% average return, but averages are made up of wild swings. If we hit a lost decade where the market trades sideways or drops for 10 years, your Coast number might not compound as fast as you expected. You can't just set it and literally forget it for 30 years. You have to be willing to monitor your portfolio once a year. If it dips significantly behind schedule, you might have to temporarily turn the savings tap back on for a little while to catch up. Risk number two is lifestyle creep. This is the silent killer of early retirement. Coast Fire works perfectly if you are happy with your current standard of living forever. But people change. If you hit 35, get married, have 3 kids, and suddenly decide you want a massive 5-bedroom house in the suburbs and 2 brand new SUVs, your target retirement number goes way up. If your end target moves, your current Coast number has to move with it. You have to be honest with yourself about what your future life actually looks like. Risk number 3 is extreme inflation or unexpected life expenses. We accounted for average inflation in our earlier math. But what if inflation runs incredibly hot for an entire decade? Or what if out-of-pocket healthcare costs in the future triple? Your Coast number is based on highly educated guesses about the future economy. You are building a very sturdy bridge to your retirement, but you still need to make sure you are checking the structural integrity of that bridge every single year to make sure it holds up against the elements. So, how do you actually start? If you are in your 20s or early 30s, right now is your golden window. You have the ultimate cheat code in investing: time. Every single dollar you invest right now does the heavy lifting of $10 invested in your 40s. Live a little leaner right now. House hack with roommates. Drive the boring, reliable car. Pack your lunch instead of eating out every day. Shovel as much money as you humanly can into your investment accounts for the next few years. Front load the pain right now, so you can front load the freedom for the rest of your life. I'll see you in the next one. That's it for today. Thanks for sticking around. My goal is to help you turn struggle into leverage. So if you're on board, please like the video and subscribe. It's a huge help as we grow this community. And before you go, make sure to check these videos out to keep leveling up your financial game.